Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Any Cloud Tech, and my name is Anubhav. I'm your host today, and today we will discuss about the cloud, uh, because many of people doesn't know about the cloud. So I will start with the basics. So what is cloud, and why we need cloud? Okay, so we'll discuss this. So, a cloud is just nothing. It is just like your data center, the data center which we are having right now. So, it is just a data center. Only the thing is that the cloud interface or the servers are accessible using your APIs, which you can access using the public internet and using a secure way. uh, Maybe you can also publish your data center applications also, but in public cloud you can also access your cloud. You can build up your servers online. You can create your appliances, or you can set up your appliances. You can access your servers using some secure methods, like RD gateway or something. And also you can like you ever heard about Amazon. So Amazon is a good cloud provider as of now in these days. And also along with this, AWS, Google is also in market. So cloud is nothing, guys. Cloud is made up of servers in data centers over the world. And you can assume like there are like a city like Mumbai. And in the city, you might have two three data centers which are connected with each other using the ISP provider with high bandwidth. And to keep your data in secure manner, and to just keep replicating your data into other data centers, they have tunnels. And and you can also, the advantage of this is like in Mumbai, suppose there are four data center and one goes down. So probably your other zone will work. Okay. So why what is the use of zone? So zone is also part of cloud. And let's suppose you have a data center in Mumbai, which can be called as a data center. And maybe you have another data center in Mumbai region, can be called as B data center. So zone is nothing, it's just an area where your data center is set up. Okay. And those data centers are connected, or you can say interconnected with the high bandwidth using the ISP. So it is nothing, it's just a connectivity method. And when you bring all the data center into one place, you can say that platform as a cloud. So you can access your cloud infra, each zone or each region, from your API or from your using your web page when you access Amazon.com cloud page. Similarly, in Google also, when you access console.google.com, it shows you that page from where you can access your all the servers which you created in regions, zones, like that. It is very simple. Okay, so moving on to the next point, which is very important. So how many type of cloud you see in the current time? So like the first is the private cloud. So private clouds, it is nothing, it is just a virtualization type. Like have you might be you have seen the VMware part, where you have the master server and VMware, where you can access the orchestration tools. And and it is privately available within your organization. So it is not exposed to the outside the world, so you cannot access it. uh, Second is the public cloud. So public cloud is a service which run external vendor that may include the server, one or multiple data centers. So as I said, uh, the first point is like the data center is exposed to the public network, and this is accessible to the authorized users using a secure channel. and you can access your various data centers. You can say as regions data centers or zone data centers. You can access those data centers from anywhere. Okay, so these are connected to a single API, so you don't need to log in separately for that. You just need to you just need to select your region, and then you will be able to see your running servers or running network or appliances. Okay, moving on to next part. So there is one more, which is hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud is like the hybrid cloud is like combination of public and the private cloud. So as I said, like VMware, you can assume as a VMware there is an orchestration tools from where you can privately access your VMware to do the orchestration part. And similarly, if you compile both the clouds, private and public, it would be hybrid cloud. This is just nothing. So where you are collaborating two clouds, private and public, and it become hybrid cloud. Similarly, multi-cloud is just nothing. You are compiling two public clouds, two public clouds, and you are connecting both the clouds using a tunnel, so that you can use the you can access your servers from one cloud to another cloud and another cloud to one cloud. So this is simple. Okay, so why we use cloud? What is the benefit, guys? So uh, when you say cloud, so as you know that cloud is a booming technology in current world. So there are few points which can be seen as like the most important point when you avail cloud or when you moving on to cloud. So the first point is cost reduction. So when you say about cost, so like you can say the current or native data centers, what happening is like when you need a server, you just need to order a server. You need to mount it in a rack. You need to do the patching work, and then you need to build a server, OS, RAID, configuration, and all. But and all these setup requires a money, a fixed money. Like you also need to manage data center. You also need to have a person, technical person, who will manage the data center part. You will also need to have a patching person who will do the network part. You also would need to have a purchaser who will purchase the server. So here cloud is instant. So when you say instant, means you just one or two click you will get your server. So you just need no need to worry about your timings, because it is instant. And also your cost is reducing. So for even you are deploying one server, two server, or 100 server, the cost will remain same. You don't need to manage the different part. So like in data centers, where you will put a single server, you have to manage the complete data center. You need to manage the AC power, AC up to 18 or 20-degree temperature, and you also need to maintain the power, electricity, and all. Okay, where on cloud, for a single server there is a fixed cost. You just need to see that cost, and you just need to deploy it in your environment. Okay. Second point is data security. So when you say data security is a major concern for all the sectors in these days. It is primarily very important for the banking, LIC, and other sectors, which is very important. And for this data security, cloud is having kind of, you can say, certain layers where you can manage your accessibility of a cloud. And also they are certified, they are certified for the security, so that they also gone through the audits, so that they have some security parameters. Those can be avail, when you deploy a service, and cloud is secure, guys. Okay, so cloud offers many advanced security features that guarantee that your data is securely stored and handled, because they say like they never touch your data. and they will not do it, right? They never ask your password, username, or anything to, whenever you go for them to, solve any query related to server is not coming up like that. Similarly, the third point is scalability. So like, scalability is also a good thing, where you can see. So let's suppose, currently you have three servers, right? One is web, app, and db. Okay. Now your company is growing and you need more servers, right? So you just don't need to wait for the vendor, purchaser, or anywhere. You just need to go in your cloud API, log in into the console, and you can build your server. Simple, very simple. You can scale up, and similarly you can scale down as well. So in future, if you don't need the service, you can scale down your environment as well. Okay, guys. So when we say disaster recovery, so in one data center, when we say native data center, we have to think about the data backup, storages, and all. So if in one data center, suppose there is something major happened in your data center, so your data will, gone. So but cloud is having a different kind of features, or you can say the technologies in the backend. So where your data is compiling all the regions. Like if you store your data in S3, it is, moving in all the AZs, availability zones. So there is no need to worry about it. And also, like your servers, your EBS, those are very secured. When you say backup, backup is also secure. In native method, you take the backup into the tape drive, and you have to go to into the chub, and in the Almira you have to keep it in the separate building. But here there is no worry about the data, because everything is managed by cloud. uh, you Let's suppose if zone A goes down, you may have another zone to run your environment, so you can deploy your server instantly if you have the setup kind of. Similarly for the control as well. So like, cloud is it is not like that you will log in onto the cloud API and you will do everything, right? You can do the controlling on the access part. So like, if suppose I'm a financial guy, so I need to if I'm financial guy, I need to have certain limits on some servers, in sense of access. So like, if you are accessing any if you are accessing any server, so there could be two access points which can be seen. The one is the cloud, when you reach up to a cloud, and what things you can do on the cloud. Like, you can create the server, you can build the server, you can delete the server, you can recreate the server, scaled up, scaled down. There's so many activities. Similarly, you can manage your access for each and every department, like IT department, financial department, or your app department, right? Your web department, or the application team. You can say web department. You can say the application team. So this kind of control you can have. So okay, guys. So questions, and if you have any questions, so do let me know and write your comments, so that I would be able to answer your questions. And just wanted to tell you that today is my first blog on YouTube, and I need your support. So please do subscribe my channel, and if you will subscribe, you will get updates on time. And also, if you like my video, this presentation, please do like it. Thank you. Thank you very, very, very much.